Hello, my name is PJ. Today we're going to introduce you to, we're going to introduce you about sound, and these are my group members.
Hello, my name is Frank 1217.
Hello, my name is Boom.
Hello, my name is Ken.
Hello, my name is Fish.
Hello, my name is Kun.
Hello, my name is PJ.
Hello, my name is Frank. My name is Ken. My name is Boom. My name is Boom. My name is Puss.
Today we're going to talk about sound.
Sound is vibration that travel to the air.
When we clap our hands like this, it makes the air molecules to vibrate, and as the energy can be transferred, the air molecules can keep vibrating around this area. So that what makes sound.
There's a little thing in the air, looking at the top of the drum. They receive the vibration. The vibration keep going in our ear and send it to the brain, and brain will process it.
Sound cannot travel through vacuum because there aren't any air particles. Air particle in this room is vibrating.
Sound wave has wave frequency as well as light. Wave frequency is how fast is the wave vibrate.
Higher pitch.
Lower frequency equals lower pitch. It's not the same, it is different.
Have you ever heard of ambulance? Do you know why ambulance siren is higher pitch when running toward you and lower pitch when running away from you? It's because of the Doppler effect. It's the change of wave frequencies. It's relative to the motion of the wave source, the ambulance, and the observer, our ears.
Have you ever wondered what if a fighter jet accelerate faster than the speed of light? I mean sound. So when a fighter jet accelerate, right? When a fighter jet accelerate, you won't hear anything at first, but if it hits the point that reach the sonic boom, it will boom!